Betting so from Steve. A sign. It me too be
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood.
Okay, and then so day 2. Your day every life. Kumawood TV. COVID-19. And now say coronavirus. Aba we are say afana nyina ama obia esu ama obia kwahye dem ama obia etwa ajajo isan say virus ebinum enhu adekora emfa so de baaye yehu na de ban ne yehu ba bia na ma aba ama wiase nyina atadin ebinum kura se wiase awieye no na aba ebisi 666 na aba obi e Canada but yenso Kumawood TV for e de ato e ho so se ye be ma update saa kosi time o man panyini Nana Akuofo Addo e de ato ho se yen hyedem na yen hwe kwan abefa so a saa yare e be free ho yenso ye ma update ama update no enkosi se 2 weeks ya odi amaye no ebe free ho na ebe free ho no na ebia yare no afri aman mu kra eno enane yesan e de update e de abrel live o Kumawood TV medi e de Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos enra ye trance ene abadwafo trance e ka day 1 ho nsem about enkrofo a omo any so any omo amudi so ye bo videos bi ekyerechero ama ohun se ebinum ho a nanka ofa adum ekofa bantema ekofa emfanse ba bi a omampanyine se yen shut down no bebre etoto omo shop mu ena ye call markets nso me sure say before I ever started mahwe ni nyina e wo TV ni so market bi wo ha o manto o market no enam say o mampanyine say aduane de obetimi akoto na aduane e be kwa akoto no e de ho enkrofo bebre e be gu market centers ni bebre ubisa na o so akoto aduane okoto aduane ntino na o say ho eye ema ebo peso enran so ye mamonya ntie se banks bebre enso amanfo enam se panic acquire panic withdrawal enintino na bebre enim se e wo so koyi ni sika entie call banks ni bebre ana omo nso queue no aye tenten ana omampanyini pese ye entity yentam no na ho de omon anti asiesa ya hwe videos bebre a amanfo ko out ebinum kura ho a wo wia no ho akohye ya friend say ayimu ama eno no ebi a cars container cars no wo wia no ho akohyem se ope ekwan e de abeti policeman ana say obi a ohwe kwan se ontimentra na okohye container mu na ye de tapoli akuri ni so eno na ye bisa se de omampanyini ka no ye nte ase ana say ebi a ye ne na ebu ye ne aguso se ye nni de omampanyini e ka na so ene meni abadwafo nso asa atenase day 2 yakọ abontene akohu baabi a sebe omo mpese omo bedi mraso na apolisifoɔ ene asogyafoɔ ayeden a control ama mra aye adwuma ene yene mayor Kumasi mayor edi nkomo ene apolisifoɔ akase edi nkomo program yi so no ni nyina no mo behu no wo so we eye update a yede brew live ewo Kumawood TV so debia na yede be brew ekopim say time a omampanyin de ahye yen say yentra fie no ebeso medin ede Samuel kwabena dako yetwe ho sima aba ye ba ni aka nyina no yede beto mo so esan ebia ni esan ene se wonka bi nhyiemu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan wosan ne sen esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan esan ti obi agapade nyina ahye esan ti obi ahwere ne kunu esan ti obi ahwere ndofo bi esan ti obi aware yasen esan ti obi akwa brochire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sen mesme sign ne sen we yedwumade bi a yede braw e Kumawood TV yesim konya na afei asema ato pen a ede atorentem bi abraw no ye no watrase na afei ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aye ahweye se esan bi ato da na ede wako situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite u sebra ne ne won trase na yen share experience together fa number na face si a na ne wo entwetwe eho enkomo 0244 294066 fre na any producers no enkasa within edi Samuel kwabena dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afremi Steve esan etumutu obia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan, ebia ni esan ene se wonka bi nhyiemu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan wo sign ne sen esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan esan ti obi agapade nyina ahye esan ti obi ahwere ne kunu esan ti obi ahwere ndofo bi esan ti obi aware yasen esan ti obi akwa brochire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sen mesme sign ne sen we yedwumade bi a yede braw e Kumawood TV yesim konya na afei asema ato pen a ede atorentem bi abraw no ye no watrase na afei ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aye ahweye sɛ ɛsan bi ato da na ɛde wakɔ situation bi mu ama ɛnɛ watumi afiri mu a yɛ invite wo sɛ bra na yɛne wo ntena ase na yɛnhyɛ experience together fa number yi na frɛ sisi a na yɛne wo ntwetwe ɛho nkɔmmɔ 0244 294066 frɛ na ɛne producers no ɛnkasa medin ɛde Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos beti nso afrɛ me Steve ɛsan ɛtumi tu obiara.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan. Aduane esan. Esan ene se. Wo ka bi nhyiemu. Onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim. Na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so. Eno ene efre no esan. Wo san ne sen.
Okay, yes, I'm on Makwaba Bio at the bar, a show is so median the somewhat Kwabena Dako. Medical cassette show ye, ubetimi abasubi. A discussion, and ye discussing. Senia, war our chef ye, and anado, your president say, Tenafie. If you know what to know, a dear ben a woman, and not what pee about Bontineswa, a dear ben and a woman. Bipacho ye kasa ya no ye de ye test line no ebeto screen so se wo asem bi a opese ubisa ubetimi attest ye na wobusa na wo bibi a obeka contribution bi a odebeka won so a obetimi ede aka ho ede amaye live ewo Kumawood TV pacho ye test line no 0543 596070 0543 596070 pacho eda screen so enti ubetimi ede wadwenkyere ede afas eno memfrɛ emfansi so every pemu no yebebie phone line atum na won so wafrɛ ede wadwenkyere ede aba ene miwo nana ewa ha enra yene no ehia enenso yetimi asan ene na ehia nana yaw ekueku nana yaw ekueku otumfo asante hene asen hene eno no ono ene yene no ebetwetwe enkomo afa COVID-19 enho yehwe ne mo kwan se yebenya yen guest bi na ono nso abeka ye ho ba onya maaye no ye wo otwinozo eye Eugene Akwa Moses Eugene Akwa enso ewo ha ye no mo betwetwe enkomo live Eugene mama akwa bai na mbom te sen free and besi and quarantine ohun say wow.
Because I couldn't have promoted music. The piano now Emra you say Emra nay there's something different. So now say the NTSC but no say Yama
Ekoso. Okay. Nana yaw eko. Akwaba. Yes. Embom design. na also quarantine nana who is saying wa quarantine with that because yeah wa hano ya quarantine ho that na esia and quarantine no doesn't mean say nana sabi o mampanyi nana do at the measures go akwam say we media there otimi kwa adwuma we obi a oton aduane a ene enema fa ayi de obetima yeden aton aye nti eno enti no enhye na nye total lockdown partial lockdown but eno na nkrofo bebre ayede atake advantage ewo mu a sebe omo ye nema bi a emfata ewo wenum but in all no from enra enene difference bena wo hu.
Yes, anyway, the Mawaheko in Addo. Difference Addo. And then you know, Kuma, a Muda Hotel and Ran. Also, Enra, and Siasini young Kui. And I also now say, Tanzania cancer, so you were problem no pound where you do and a bank home. Ya ba no ne no panel reports and e baba nya acha say the mayors no money MCs e no what to mu a umu ye dwanu aduma pa I believe that even swabra about one no ko ko bi o a ye sign o mo so mu nsa
of course yeah
and na dwana nkasa mu no so no mayor no be so okuro so dwanu because and she say o mu no mu ye say and I'm say yes, I quarantine and traffic. Or more than say, bear the anti before. Come on, Tony, one of Munchichu. Just a green gold, and round and then the window bar. And the chain and no window bar. So they are the anifuni in Arno, every book. Next out to make the year. Intina jodi fo nyina begu no tinu mu kwa so mu ya announcement say kan no no mu mba no ande ne no amo mu mba na na foforo no na nko mejeje
no be tire adwuma sa
e be tire adwuma o mu the tax e na eye enti ene no mu yeso mu close no no na ande ni say o mu ne market ayi no women no ma empany for da mfa man ma afo e be hia no mu kwa o be fa so mu mechichi mu o be mu tax na we no ba ne we ma bwachina we no ba ne no ma na say before no kwa no omo titim ama
moye we
space ni dia be ba ba mtse na be ya omu nya be guo na nipa nso e beton be guo a e na ma crowd no e sa ba ho e omu jem sa de e na na e so betin I believe say some measures we no mu put in place e boa ama ne no emu ahen ha kakra che nra
no okay we aye Kumawood TV ye di ka che o se ye ma update sabi wo fie na umpie na unnim de ekoso wo abontene but yen ya adwen se ye wo Kumasi na ye Kumawood de ekoso bia no wa wo Libya wa wo Nigeria wa wo Buchre obia na betime ho de ekoso life o Kumasi yen sakan from that time not to eneno yen shadan record new cases bia se yare no bia chi obi fofo before then no na yete se yare no chichi amanfo dey bia na achi obi but a free sata mo kono enchi obia ansa na yebekoso no me pase ye quick commercial break na ye ba afi ye hu enema di achichi omo ene cases ya be be nyina ni edi hu nkomo na afi video on ya bo edi amama ye nko commercial break
esan edi ani esan ene se wo ka bi nhyiemu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so eno ene efre no esan wo san ne sen esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi eko ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan ɛsan nti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye ɛsan nti obi ahwere ne kunu ɛsan nti obi ahwere ne dɔfo bi ɛsan nti obi aware asɛn ɛsan nti obi akɔ aburokyire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sɛn meso me sign ne sɛn we yɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde braw ɛwɔ Kumawood TV yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato pɛn a ɛde atɔrentem bi abraw no yɛne watena se na afei yɛbobo ho yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na aboa yɛnua bi a ɛsan bi nto no da na ama ɔno nso ayɛ ahwɛ yie sɛ ɛsan bi ato da na ɛde wakɔ situation bi mu ama ɛnɛ watumi afiri mu a yɛ invite wo sɛ bra na yɛne wɔn tena se na yɛn share experience together fa number yi na frɛ sisi a na yɛne wo ntwetwe ɛho nkɔmmɔ 0244 294066 frɛ na ɛne producers no ɛnkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afrɛ me Steve ɛsan etumi tu obiara.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan, Ediani Esan, and say, Uka bin shemu, Onyone home, Sabato, na abatum pofrim, na de atorentem bi abatoso, and now how be abatoso. And no any friend Esan. What sign is saying? Esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi mobi ko pie prison esan etimi yetwa obi nsa esan etimi yetwa obi nan esan ti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye esan ti obi ahwere ne kunu esan ti obi ahwere ne dɔfo bi esan ti obi aware asɛn esan ti obi akwa aburokyire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sɛn meso me sign ne sɛn we yɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde braw ɛwɔ Kumawood TV yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato pɛn a ɛde atɔrentem bi abraw no yɛne watena se na afei yɛbobo ho yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na aboa yɛnua bi a ɛsan bi nto no da na ama ɔno nso ayɛ ahwɛ yie sɛ ɛsan bi ato da na ɛde wakɔ situation bi mu ama ɛnɛ watumi afiri mu a yɛ invite wo sɛ bra na yɛne wɔn tena se na yɛn share experience together fa number yi na frɛ sisi a na yɛne wo ntwetwe ɛho nkɔmmɔ 0244 294066 frɛ na ɛne producers no ɛnkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afrɛ me Steve ɛsan etumi tu obiara.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan, Ediani Esan, and say, woka bi nhyiamu onwene ho sɛ bɛto na abɛto mpofrim na de atɔrentam bi abɛto so anaa ɔhaw bi abɛto so ɛno ɛna yɛfrɛ no ɛsan wɔsan ne sɛn ɛsan etimi ma obi ebubu gu dam ɛsan etimi ma obi ɛkɔ ɔhaw bi mu a ɔmpɛ ɛsan etimi ma obi kɔ pie prison ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nsa ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nan ɛsan ti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne kunu
yɛsan so ɔmo akɔ aba bio ɛde ba program yi so medika ka kyerɛ sɛ program yi ɛyɛ update a ɛde ma wo ɛfa covid-19 aba ama obiara ayɛ basaa ɛna mabɛdwafoɔ ɛwɔ ha medika introduce wɔ mo ɛde ama nene yɛka nsɛm bebree yɛhwɛ statistics a aba ɛwɔ covid-19 no ho a deɛ yɛn nsa aka ebi ne sɛ yɛ startee no yɛnya cases bebree emu mmienu ɛne yɛte sɛ ɔmo recover but ɛnnɛ deɛ yɛnim ɛne sɛ anaa deɛ ate ne sɛ emu 31 asan a recover cases no ebi mɛka ho bi abɛka ho koraa na deɛ yɛate sesee no ɛkyerɛ sɛ bi mɛka ho but emu 31 ana asan a recover aka to them nti abɛyɛ 33 ɛna ɛtumi a recover na health minister ɛde information bi ba abɔntene yɛnkɔ hwɛ video no mra 1 minute eba ebeto aso
that we have tested positive and taken to care. 31 of them have been discharged. They just don't discharge. They keep testing about 3 or 4 times for it to show negative before they do the discharge. The discharge is not allowing you to come freely outside. They go visit your home, they look at other factors and try to put you into self-quarantine, though you are okay, so that they continue monitoring you for the next week or 2 before they allow you to go free. That was as yesterday, there was only one that has been discharged from Kumasi, but I need to check on it as to where these people have actually been discharged. But there are a lot of them in Accra. I need numbers that I don't have immediately on my hands.
Okay, yes, I'm about your health minister. The opportunity and say nipa 31 na make am wasem no or more I recover. But more recover no still no. Say I was saying more time kakra. Maybe another 2 weeks be. Na yehu say ampa e free omoja mu kra and ntino omoni edi omachi se be ya ometimi ehu say ampa no saa yare no e free sa nkrofo no mu kra nana so far so good mechanism because nam omampanyin measures ade gu kwa mu no I think say enema ekoyi they say no nipa 31 asan be ka tu no ama yehu say at least yare no kan kra na say nyame di wachi na enye se bia immune system no was too low at least with my recover
on say enra na e cancer yade ya no enye dibize yu yade ya say yade de say beauty by everything will be called asamalo na order yi no mo na o recover na percentage no wo soro pa yi
yeah
nti na e can say ebi ye wa eno je say we be wu
because so far nipa be 5 na yehu say omo free
but Ghana has in the na ha adwene say na ya ti wu no but na recovery no na e for on say it is 2 are recover that if you time I record the first one the pem time it is 2 are recover na mu wa and sana that it is in number increase and increase.
Yeah.
I say now.
But now recovering the
151, 152. Now still now recovering for number was a dear one a year. You now. But the minister of president wanted to know say, Umua, recover. Before there are various stages of recovery. We'll be in one critical condition.
Yeah.
I'll be within the shortest possible time. Recovering, and welcoming news say that is a day 31. So I recover American 2 that I know is 33. Yeah. You will say be an uncle away and I say no channel. No more now I recover.
Mr. Eugene,
Basama.
we share number of recovery na Ebana. Impressive,
Serious. Impressive, because as one ho ato mo a me hu ne say and nase kra na ese de manya kopon because we kra che say like ye make us say e bia obi so wo bi e wo fie a ye hu ye but say ote say asumasi nya bi nipa 31 e ho ato mo a adenti na wo bi a menko amomo nsam yare so adenti no it's like abema omo wo bi no omo so anya ayi bi say there be obi wo ho a na ofere so obekọ akoka so obi because na busuafo bepo no ne nanfofo ma ne nchen but so obi anya bi na say nipa 31 anya bi ye nipa 152 ana ye say omo anya bi say endo 2 ho to mo ene 31 ho ato mo it means 33 ho ato mo it no so if me wo bi na say me kokasa me wo bi na so omo ye sam yare a like obi a say yare no enkum but one kan ebekum so no very 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 impressive like metimi aka say Ghana say ye maya nije say ya doctor for any ye mpani for etimi abomoden amasa ade etimi asi because yare na ba foforo no nim say eche wa na wu enu na ma obi asuro say yare na eche wa na wu but see ya ntie say like nipa eche omo emu 31 33 ho ato that means any say eche wa na ye wo ade a obeya anase mpanifo de agu kwan mu ebeboa wo ama say yare ni bi wo so a akọ
but onim enra na ye ka say nipa 152
yeah
enya bi and reporter eba ye follow no so e bi kire say 161
bra say 161 na say nipa 33 ho ato
that means say
that's so
okay
so even though crowd do 200 na say 33 ho ato mo a ani da so ho e maye ntimi me nyina ye mfa ye gidie ne ye mpaebo entire mpanifo mu di anim e boa say yare ne beko no ye mfa gidie entire mo chi ne mpaebo na de omo beka no ye ni so si ye diso a me ye sure say yare no e bia ndi say 2 weeks na de amaye say ye obi an hye dem no wa ekra ndi e bia 1 week kra na betimi aka so se de ye hwe mu no bibia edin obi an koye ne
kuma na nkasa ojitum say because me kra no sometimes me hwe nkrofo more outside suti a munyama message e ba out say ye hye dem na bebre obi ho akra otimi epie o say me free ayi kaswa me kodidi wo osu
me mame ho
from kaswa to osu o ko yan se me kodidi on say amra ya ye ni so 2 weeks ni so a on ga ye be san so akwa na 2 weeks
yeah on say Ghana for no ye wade bi wo ho a ye engineer mani Ghana de me mahu no obi kra timi pie say me ko say police soldier for aba abonte ampa ana say soldier for nam kromu ampa keke opia ko keke ade a ye se mempie so but Ghana for no ye niam a ye engine dintino ana masa ade we ba so wo hwe ndra se de ye fa krom na kromu tie na ene asesa
yeah
asesa bebre ndra ibi wotimi din say na o ka say soldier say ba soldier say we police we because unam kromu a who's police who soldier
ba na de
mo wo se be bia be fa bia critical wo fa bia wo koi then akoye I started
and the banks no kra na ye choke
o se me ye ka ho ase banks ni bi wo a o ma pale so o mo asan ten ene ye nanti wa won e bia o mo di nkonwa sisi agija gab o mo gina ho so o mo tete o mo kama it means say media niam a ye ka no like ɛkɔ ama amanfoɔ so yɛ den ɛhwɛ sua ade bi yɛ den film ana ɛnɛ so no police for ne soldiers for no ɛso ameki sure sɛ mmara ne bɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ɔman ni ana Ghana no yɛ ma yɛ free a ne yɛ de dɔm asɔ so ade nti sɛ sia no freedom no sɛ wodi free ne ma nipa na no de dɔm na asɔ so but sia no yɛ pɛsɛ ka kyerɛ soldiers for ne police for say fine ɛnyɛ sɛ bi ɔm bɛ ku nipa anaasɛ but the only thing is say omuma branding adwuma de na so odin no omuma ne hu se unua ehu se asomasi ko yeye ni se yo ono wonko but asomasi ko ne ya anye ne hwede a mesomeko enti no omuma emra mu panifo de amom se omfa nhyehyɛ eyi no omuma ne nya adwuma
okay nana ma memra so kakra me pese mbusa se enra ehu de na kromaye ene yakokrom ehu de kromaye we kyerese de yete a ye kana manfo ti ana zamanfo ti
engofo ti onse no akwa ni bi ye no records ba ya na kyerese engofo ti na ye ano ana ye medium of education and ana sometimes ana ye bit look akra normally no me no me bi say no nanka ana me hwe say aban no ebe shada ne radio stations TV stations na shada nyan kitaku they soon they so said they are na esi mu no because the go say no ye nkonya obi a wo mu ipa ba ko pekura hu hia because the ipa ba ko nya ipa dodo ya at risk ne ewo ha nti no ye nya obi a wo think education na ki shada say oh media for wo dey say nya bibi kwa na aban ni tu a ye shada mi ehu say we be away na more information be na releasing on time na media for no be able ko ye obi a obabi otie o station bi wana do oni eguse bi a we ni bi ni party ni kese so bi ko na sa time information no obu say te na nkasa na nte because obi a wo the choice enti e was say you make it conscious for say ye nya obi a wo na wo da gubo no ye concern bi say online for a info mun kan ho bloggers info mun kan ho printer info mun kan ho radio and TV yefo bi anka ho ni ehunu say agenda ye pursue ni information ni kuni ti se de kwa say ye tie ye ka so bi antrafia sa na ye ka no ba bia ti ba bia no e trafie ti ye se police for ba ba boy ho ban a sa na obi ante e ti ba bi obi a betu bia na asam kro na ye ka ne mo se de to a we de to a na we ka asam fro we su kotie ba bi no so asam foforo a ano ni nyina mo information flow no and you're very very effective.
Okay, for all come from information flow no na me can consider say there's a way was it minister request 1.5 billion from the government. Sa sika ye twa to ho say yem fan kontia sa COVID-19 no ehin fa na ese ko me de me come adwene but me susu say media na broadcast informations no ama omo wo fie no ayede atena ebi nko media ebi nko health ebi nko omo a sebi yesi oso on shedem de no bedi enuane on bedi ye provide masa microphone no wo wadwene kire o sen
for me no media for the free
identity
because we also can media social responsibility and
ye de yem fanche
and yes yem fanche asset me nkan to obi aso bi anko jisika so mo bo nkofuko bi ana nkofuko na wo bo no ana me tese media ndie ke free man kan ha dwene me ka de me nyi sika ndie enko enyoma na health workers ni hia na mbetim dia hwe ya yare no equipment na PPEs no personal protective equipment enko ho na ebisusu nko nro na they say no na ebisu nko hospitals na ya dey because
also make ebisu nko media
hospitals no go do what they can do with some temporal because abrofo na bi yes hospitals be ma o more temporal makeshift bia o mutim de beds nya ahwe nkofo ha because sabre ni econo the ultimate aim no and say ebesi ano kwan na de wonya bi no konya na yaresa enti se hono kwa na afa ye hwe won so wo ti fie na sabi o wa kwa wo enye yie no I was kwa because I come back say na adwe ye sabi ti fie a me bia mewu enti me pie dia akoba no sa de a de pese a chi nya de ebenya ti sangofo ne se epekwa bi e befa so a wo ti fie a obenya bibi kakra edi se de be anya ne se be fa de no wo de fanya so wo bi ada wu enti na me kodam ko wu kra e ya de ko na ti esa yi na because when nya time e se de be pese ka wu eboto sabre no enya bra se de pese ka
but sabre we so no and obi oton tomatoes obi oton wayi atun na yim pese onye sika gu nboto
o se me no e betra kan wo se ni nya e bone wa se ni nya e bone sabi o ya say Ghana a Christian nation last week ye adasi ho se nya ye bompa ye se ya di be ko ne bompa wie na se du ni e beto ade na ba be bu na e de ade na na pese o chenti su ni e ban na mi ye bi o ho a ya ngasa emwa ye enyina de yete yetu enwu se sabre no anya bre pesika guboto ko so nya sika guboto na nipa nyire wu a sika no de be true what you say eti yam pre nipa nkwa ye yankwa ni wi a afi ya be kira asem
what you say Mr. Eji de na neke woni ne ya adwan
de na neke won say ewi ase de no kre ba ko so wakasi yenyi media me bo won say ye wo programs vi wo ho a even though kra no they say amanfo ntimi nye programs no ye nyina ese ye boa na ye ma yare na asitu ni nyina ne se ye beka yare no ho asem like on say media no ade a Ghana obi a o she fie bi atie o ne o so ni TV ana o so ni radio o pede e koso abonten ayeden atie de e koso abonten no fine me sure say nana ehye media num so kana ebeboa because kakra ebia fine ya fa say ma me baby no
sorry ya you ka kwa abontre
petrol
ye
like pay ne ade media yi mu bia ma manfo are but ye nyina ye pese ye den ye boa e ma Ghana man no ye den ye yare no se de si ko de wo ya wonya ene kwan afa so a wo benya ni nyina ye boa media ne ye boa ma yare na se tu fine se si how kasi ye ni media film ye fa ko hospitals se say Ghana ya record 161 ye fa say 200 krana 200
one e be come obi
ate si ya record 200 ya record 5 ya record 6 social media ni obi ani obi tini fie one ne yere ne mma omu TV omu hwe obi ne yere ne mma omu so radio omu tie so aja say enti media no so boa ama saa yare no ase atu anase education na ese ekoma amanfo no tie no omu so ayeden atie
no bi a to mo e bedro mo
there be tie asefa America no ase
ase on na now na asusu hu na
watch na wa de ma me so menche ma ye ka say embre media ye see
enchichem
no bia nya bi otimase sisi a health centers e de ekọ we mu de ekọ media de aba we because ye nyina le ye boa ene say ye ko di ye ni amafo di nkomo ye dictate omo ni nyina petrol ye de ko e say ye betina e obi wo beka say you ebi nana obi wo kasa ma kasa
say you are something we don't something
the only thing I make can say ese media no so nana ema nani ko because ye na ye be educating crofo no omo a ye se omo ntina fie no radio TV omo antie radio antie TV on be de hu de ye ko nti ye nso no ye boa je say nana so ma nani ye den media
okay Mr. Eugene answer na ba sorry na ye nua Frank Aboagye aban ene ye no the call abontene be se otwa ye be yi video no but be se otwa mfonyin kakra ye ko hu wa abontene no e kire arefo na fe ye ko he video no ba
ene ye ko abontene ni gypsy because endra me ra o me say ah enti no asɛm ana na kan na manfo tie ya ana sɛ Kumasi die yɛ kam ana da bɛn
but na nyɛ Kumasi nko wokɔ Accra Kaswa
on say ye movement ana America ye mimi hu ye
okay
ana America because ye ko ni ko dwa we mu a wa ba peso yo ase normal egadi na ni
but na say yetimi to aduane di yetimi di dwa
enti na me kan say like me ti ase say sa de ne buy but no ma hu say this is sign up because ye ko
race course Dr. Mensa yeah
ko Dr. Mensa Kumasi Mario wa close marketing wa close up aka chomso bia mo bia nsi
because of aswode amoye no nra
say you say mom timi ton ade but amafo be pua
social distance no emra
but next kura me ne ye nam no mete se o say ochina omo besa ma ochina no mo kwa ombe mo bia fidomo say tomatoes for si na se mo kan no si bia say no be no say ene we mo ba ochina na we mo ba and ombe make sure so say that social distance no I dey adwuma ewo se mo kan ye ma me ni je ye ba ana ye na bu ye nanti mo alaba omo si sense ga nyina nso mo say
oh mo nyina yira
omo de ba
omo mbobu ma re ni
enti no omo nyina stores e wo nyina omo tum ye fa so akosi suame edu suame o se ye kosu suame market
yeah
because like
aswode
munte mamu bom peso mamu say aswode me sure say ye kosu suame market so ochina
some roundabout market yeah
say Dr. Mensa ene market aye bia mo omo no omo yes aswode we close no na me obi ato aduane won impesu aso
okay we Kumawood update ade Ebrel live ewo Kumawood TV ahojo atenga junction na ye de Ebremo we yamama anya ntie se nyame ya adoma efri enra ene eda edi animu yi enema abekoso ewo ye president Nana Akuofo Addo measures ade agu akwam se yen lock ye ho na yen hye dem na yen so ye informations bia Ebrel live ewa ye beko akwakohwe ye call abontene no ana se tie hu eko market centers no na ekosi ye Kumasi mayor okasai ena a police for ne asojafo a omo nso eba around nso ekasai ye beko ne akotie omo nyina ho ensem ne afeye de aba na mesrewa medical catcher say dwumadi ye ne hu na edi enti wo nso betimi ede wadwenkyere ewo saa ensem yi ho ede aba ye test line na eda screen so no obetimi ede afa so test anase WhatsApp memfre ofra yentimi mfa ho ebrepam no ye bebre afunni natum na wo nso watimi afre ede wadwenkyere ede aba ba sese de obetimi de test message no afa saa number na eda screen so no yenko na yenko hwe enne yekwa abonten no emfonyin na yenyaye no ne yemfamra ye ba ye bra anase ye nua be ma Frank Aboaje enso ebe John ye yenko yemra
Okay, Major, how about Kumasi TV too? Nana Ashemrati in Yan quarantine on a then I do open you can see ever be a Dr. Mensa marketing.
No credit. Mediano, Asra for air bobine. Now, Asra for air bobine, as I see free office. Now, yes, bathroom near media cost. No money be over, Sabi, decision taking, Yana, a book, an ordinary. This is what you're paying, over. Because I have here, you are here. I had no Mudigawa. I know my swordinty and the other red Yaboha, yet 2 million free. Oko, Gola House, I also know Mudiga. As swordinty, and I also just stop home. The air can say, Oma, 8 Dimbrano Sunday, Omo, Oma, 8 Dimbrano Sunday, Yamo,
and you share social distance and a year cry while I use any pana you back out and Omaka album and until I'm always saying Yana.
Oh, so one Casamoa more press for a mother and a mother of no dia can be any, but more what it is the number of the press houses and the door to name and yes, and Nippon and I crowded. Ubi or happy anyhow, Ubi or happy as a trophy. Yeah, there must be a more.
And I name Mr. Osei SCB NG Kumasi Major and a train and Como Afa and Nesania ye distance your Dr. Mensa sending Nippon Akikan boom and the measures are impending for a diagonal come say Yanni sa how you have a case with influence Yanni Major Nankasa at train and Como Kaka. What's it your kind or see and so say a more who by Sunday it's me a general and Tiambo de Ro. I catch a month for some more by him, so you make it sure say, yeah, boy, who by Yadana. See if I ever was only any amount for action.
Oh, regularly, and also for problem behind the day. Emma, another day, a clear cut. Made a Debbie Macase, Corona, on Peso Nebia, and no Mabe. Tambia over Tambia over sanitize. After Bill, who make sure say, young mayor, said in the 2 weeks, yet to see it. And also a baby. Yes, I say, Nafe, so be at to pine near next year fear, Yenima, na Nimbia for no, Doctor for no, and very fear the Mojo. Yes, I did not a boy. The fee is so it was in so better. The fee was what, Corans by day, a beba. It's here no so young man, and he said, maybe a TBA baby hood. The Ninty, a bit my new wounded, yes, I'm a person, moment on Omodiano, a computer, business, you was ready, the baby. Yeah, the massive. Why are they? Who do you see? Also, offer being out there.
Compliance, that's a billion person being Russell. So, social distance among folks. Chichebe na moye. Because our cars and punishment and to be a punishment
be new because if the default our punishment and not in the one judgment is a punishment. I have to go along for your close one is also a punishment. It's here the assassin will be a baby a punishment. They say one Casacran I need to punish you because also in send those masks. It will be a one should be also be cooked. So that is another form of punishment. Question the woman said, Obia, only Casabia, no, Untimi, who will be an hour. And you tell Momo de answer, the mamma distance neither, Abel. Now, shall no smash. It is a Okasa, that's a view, and travel the another day, uncle. Yamami was sending the auto show the Okasa and Zana Bamin chain. Then we are because Romans and my sanitizing. Baby, have a cobia. And they will be at me was in Saturday more than 10 times. Says one way, young man in Kahoya, the virus on the end to be done. No, Dania, yes, shall be free. Let him away.
Quick, Daddy, we need to walk over.
We know where they
Apomboko de. Me asema na me pese me bisa o kaka ne se amanfo abohu se ne soldiers e wo krom omode mma esisisi amanfo so e bobo amanfo bibi se ekoso wo krom ana.
Me je ka se enye no pressure. Ya o se enforce law no. Ye boa ama president directives no aye adwuma. Na mi nipa ye no mo aye adwuma o man. It is Kumasi. The secretary officer Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Nipa no aye no mo adwuma ebi akoma edi epa. Sometimes when you shoot pressure kakra, don't me achieve we and right if you imagine us ya ba amensa na uhwe ase bibia ensi ase anti bibi efa coronavirus ehun ekura areho eyi oji se yamfa force kakra anti ya yen me achieve de na person yitimi achieve no say you put some kind of effort and the pressure a man from Sabaya at least we can reduce movement and then you can market women and normal bar a message to no more patient it to me a moment echo other places central market in whom sir no what you can Oba the Adumu area na Nancy Sano, Manchester Magasin, and all of a bar base now as a mensa, maybe I don't know, say one or sugar crown from one. Why, that means I said, the Bebuana Yarena at Tekis, Yamba for a beer, say, yes, and they call Riscos, foreigners 7 and they go to home. So almost every will be almost transportation. Fair no Mutian, so I was saying, Kumasi young, I don't know, for the ground from one, yet me achieve. Name when your force, I had at Abu Biamobi, no, they won't say they will not come from, no one say any other spot, and what transit. Impo a movie unnecessary movement now. But she's hungry for in answer. Young people be moved. Actually, I come on and the jam. The Ama system, no, it's me. I come that is no, it's me. I'm for so I'm a okay, but you better as if you say next or Jebra now near church. You better as if you pray and go so. Okay, Chief, remember how about Kumasi TV so.
Thank you very much.
Chief, Mammy Pisa and they buy you who some put measures be cast Mississippi has and straighteners be up Bemwa and then the police are pressure with the mom.
Oh, let me say, you know, I wear lockdown, Montany the bar. And on I enforce it. Okay. So if you don't fall within category now, Mrana is empty or Mona, like I said, they still stay at home. Okay. Na chief and maybe sir mobile and mobile like Akuofo or Maswadi a how be abahabi sir. Say and right by now resident the money you are seeing as a distance now they can only make one and Dinamia put you as down. Okay. We came there here to see the money in their cost and I said oh my to almost them anyway. Problem and I say I will be okay, Chief. Now, more closely held down. Mammy Bisa, you better be a moment me abemu be a man. No, dear, over near negotiations, no. Now, to me, the program be back. After the distance is on back here, it may be a man. Okay, Chief, you better as if you said that's what Jebra now near to Nana yaba you say a day ye asensen ha ya close ya down you say ma obia envrem na de ntina sa ye ye de asensen mo he you see alena aban etimi entina membe ana je ne ba na je say eti ba na de tete ye ntem ba na omudu ha no mo anya abotra ama ya mehwe de yaye to mo fitin ya no mo sai ne ma eti ye ko ehun se mo yi bia na de mi ka bo ane ma ani de ko ba ye yale entina ko mo pie yi nanso ade ni ntino na amro mu nyina banka e keti o mase ti esro mo amu pancha ne mo meli hise ne stress yi
sɛ de bɛyɛ nyɛ obi abɛnya baabi ate
nti ɛnɛ wopa yɛn apolisifoɔ ne yɛn soldiers ne sɛ ɔmo mfa nkyɛm na sɛ nyame yɛ adom a ɔkyerɛ mo mmie ntom na mo ntimi bɛyɛ adwuma
na wɔma yɛ 12 o'clock 12 no bɛso no ne yɛ nyinaa yɛapake yɛ nneɛma asisi akama ne yɛ kɔfi sɛ de bobi nka ho
okay mama yɛda se firi sɛ ɔgye brɛ naa
da ase nyame nhyira mo
ɔnabo mɛmo akɔ baba kuma wo tv so na ɛdeɛ na de bɔ bɛpie mu wɔ ha yi
wode me ne me boss nenam ɛyɛ Kumasi mayor nenam deɛ we bia yɛ sabi yare a aba agya mwampani adaroma ɔse wɔboa ama yare no ansan kɔkɔ bebree ɛno nti na deɛ bia
okay na ɛnɛ mayor ba ha yi wɔahyehyɛ nneɛma bebree mehu sɛ ɛnɛ wɔmɛyɛ close aha dan wɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛ clean ha bɛpɛ papa ha but yɛhu ne sɛ asɛ aha adwadifoɔ nim binom ɛdeɛ na wobɛka kyerɛ wɔ mo
adwadifoɔ no deɛ in fact ebinom aso ɔgye
okay
but try say you know mbɛkasa ma ɔmo anya nte aseɛ sɛ yare na yɛka ho asɛm sabi yare na ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ adeɛ ni hɔ ne yɛbodi adeɛ no wɔ hɔ nti yɛbɛsrɛ ɔmo sɛ obiara enya abotrɛ na ɔmmoa sɛ de bɛyɛ a ɔmampani adaroma ɔpɛ sɛ yare no ɛmma yɛn so no ɛnsa nipa bebree no na yɛ nyinaa yɛn mmoa na ɔtumi no a wahyɛ no ntimi ɛmmoa na ɔtumi no so na agya ɔmampani adaroma ɔse obiara mɛyɛ n'adwuma afei ne kwama da ɔno obiara bɛyɛ n'adwuma
okay meba jo wudi ene gyinabea wo
meba jo midi kofi usu yɛ Kumasi mayor driver
okay meba jo ne da si fisa ɔgye brɛ na me atwitwa
yɛso yɛ de masini enyima pa mo so ma pa to mo sɛ ɛbrɛ ne bra no mɔbɛma nkrɔfoɔ so ehunu deɛ kɔ na bibia yɛ kama mo so na me nhyira mo zanze mo papa no ebi na mo yɛ mo so mo so mo man na me nhyira mo pa
yes yɛ da
sese swami jom na ye ni kira ye kɔ no ye nyanentie enra no sɛ amanfo bebree abodompem egu swami jom ama sese social distance na ka sɛ ye ma ne mbra ye mu no ebi ni omumu kra enti ye kɔ na ya kɔhwɛ swami jom ni ehu sɛ ne ho condition no nso so esitie enedai aha eye runabout ne so na ye dri so runabout anka da bia beba bedura na cars at traffic ye pa e wo ha no ene de saa eni ha ekwan ni mu da wo free pa nti enko ne enko he de ekoso so amijomo se mu ache se ne enya ne ntie na se emergency fufuro bi akoso e wo ho a Swami Jom na ye ni kira ye kon. Swami Jom na afei ye dri ye bedu Swami Jom no ye hu se ye apolisifoɔ bebree na ɛwɔ ha o masisi barriers ɛwɔ ha. Sanso so na sojafoɔ bebree nso so egu ha. Na soldiers na de o mabodompim wɔ ha yie pa. Na ye dru Swami Jom na ye hu se Swami Jom aye empty. Chese obia ni market wo obia enye adwuma wo na ye twepre soja ni ba ko bisa ne se edin na ama Swami Jom atadin se because eno ye nyane nte se nipa abodompem pa wa ha no chemu ma na ti ase se eye se nkofo na omu ba Jom eye eno ano no omandi mra na adoda nkwa eye omampanyi na wo ye manmu ehye ye no so eno ntina omu gina so si se gina ye ne se omu ma obi biara emba Jom ho se obi biara endi emra na ye na adoda nkwa Akuofo Addo ehye ye no so eno enema omu si se gina ye ne se ma obi biara emba Jom ho esan se omu ba Jom a omu ndi emra no so na se oba kwan bi betimi abam ama omu bie ejom na to na ye se wo ba Jom a oba ababedi emra no so kama se ne che social distance no ewo se ebi bo omu ntem so omu ti ase dia omu bebie amadwadie no akoso kama afei so apolisifoɔ no ama ye nyanentie se wo twam no ogina no obisa wo se o kɔhia ewo se wonya muaye papa edema ne se o mekɔ akoto adie se wa amma ne muaye papa dia omu besan mu ama mu akofie
and a brother mo cry and my Kuma with COVID-19 jumedi ni nyina abana wiye and I yakoko mia bebre and I Kumasi Dr. Mensa and I yakosho send Dr. Mensa echo apen so yetimi ni Kumasi mayor edi enkomo kakra afa kwanya o masisi ewo Dr. Mensa woni close market na o maye ye Dr. Mensa wo nyina ye ne omo atwetwe enkomo kakra apen so yakọ akọ swame marketer eye asojafo aclose ni down eho ene yede miamia ho nyina eho dwumedie ni nyina abrama na ba bi eginan ye gina Kumasi zoo dan ho pe ene ye gina ene obo se krom atadin o he ye chin so a ketia ene guo kakra no obi ankasa eni krom ene de aha ɛne yɛde dwumadie no nyinaa bɛba na wie kɔsɔ yɛ Kumawu TV ɛnɛ ɛyɛ day 2 of COVID-19 lockdown ɛnɛ ɛnɛ yɛde brɛ mu kɔsɔ ana hwɛ ɔkyerɛ nso so yɛde foforɔ bɛbrɛ mu yɛde mo ase yie pa
ɛsan aduane ɛsan ɛne sɛ woka bi nhyiamu onwene ho sɛ bɛto na abɛto mpofrim na de atɔrentam bi abɛto so anaa ɔhaw bi abɛto so ɛno ɛna yɛfrɛ no ɛsan wɔsan ne sɛn ɛsan etimi mo bi ebubu gu dam ɛsan etimi mo bi ɛkɔ ɔhaw bi mu a ɔmpɛ ɛsan etimi mo bi kɔ pie prison ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nsa ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nan ɛsan ti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne kunu ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne dɔfo bi ɛsan ti obi aware asɛn ɛsan ti obi akɔ aburokyire ama yasan de naba wɔsan ne sɛn mesome san ne sɛn wɔyɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde brɛ wɔ Kumawu TV a yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato pɛn a ɛde atɔrentam bi abrɛ wo no yɛne watena se na afei yɛbobo ho yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ
yɛma mo akaba ɛde ba Kumawu TV we update a yɛde ɛma wo de bia akɔpem sɛ emra Nana Addo Dankwa Akuofo Addo yɛ president ɛhyɛ ɛde ama yɛn sɛ yɛnhyɛ dem 2 weeks na yɛmfa nko yare no ɛmfa ɛmfiri ɛhɔ yakɔhwɛ video a yɛkɔ abɔntene Kumasi mayor ɛne apolisifoɔ mpanyinfoɔ ɛne asogyafoɔ ɛne nkurɔfoɔ a sɛbi yɛne wɔn didi nkɔmmɔ wokɔ market a yɛsi wode yɛn nkɔtɔn aduane ba aduane tɔn mu no akɔyɛ sɛbi meeting a yɛhyiahyia mu a nipa dodoɔ social distances na yɛpɛ sɛ ɛbɛn mu no ɛmma mu a ama ɛyɛ Kumasi mayor ɛne ne mpanyinfoɔ ama measures ɛde agu kwan mu sɛ ɛneɛ saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a yɛntoto some markets bi a ɔmo nni mmara so yɛntoto medical ka sɛ Mr. Frank Abuaje abeka yensa ni din na ka ho ne de mo Mr. Frank Abuaje Denyansa na ma se amanfo de nimu pa opposition ye
den but not prefer say or the public interest advocate
but then Miss Minso a politician
but
and I'm a businessman, right?
But
okay, you want to about
yeah.
Yeah, could your video about I'm saying I want to call Trisha the Ecoso as a man for Nim Rasso.
Medasi, my main chair at your phone now beside we know, I represent the Ghana Real Estate Developers Association.
Okay.
I'm your original chairman, a year grader. Now, how we buy COVID-19 in a can was me. Grader and so to one more. Honestly, contractors in especially while we road there.
Okay.
Said your man penny kind and no, we are quite there. Man penny book we are exempted. With me a railway and road construction. And I'm say developers now contractors maybe a year drains now walk main roads now. Into a money there so far that by on say Honoma or Muniko job a year juma. Or far a Atonsu coin as well from Chapate Edekwa Kosi Contasi. And so a be Honoma or Muye Juma. But Nina say actually no Anna here. And you know, naturally, human beings any and as what they were. Baby, I'm rending, or so everything obedient in my business. By improving now on the crown, we saw test say, and random mood do an answer to say. The none of our managers now and the PRO for the Ghana Police Service, Godwin Ayano, Edin Common Cassette. This time around, as at Enrano, almost a down or Mama, Nemamu call from said away on the attitude of the normal Ghanaian, especially Kumasi for and Kaifo.
but omo nsa dodo na de mra no ehye omo nsam tie na no so omo nsa so mu a omo do kokota just e hona no is either between 2 to 4 years near the utum and that's obetua 12,000 Ghana cedis
na omo odom na was out 12,000
no exactly until no tell say so na untimi nim na so atena fie oyo one yama exemption no so we within the food value chain I will betimi akọ so wo ton aduane even restaurant you say e mo bi mbetena won didi oto anko ba me fa krom mu ba bia ya me nyanu moto wa che ni die wo mu a ono ebie ba bi na adwene say wa ma o matena se enya sa na mra ne ka eti na me wo problem with kwan a ye ba kojo opon kroma mo deliver ade no omo kasa wie ye no na say fatase ye de call the various languages the various Ghanaian languages that evening and the next day na ko munya adaji chire mu se be ya me na na ata benyansa otifie a ono no onte he brofo no wonte se manche no otwi kasa mu a enya de obete eti and over Ghana near statistically almost about 65 to 70% and ente brofo kasa statistics are one
almost na sebi
eti omo na e
market ni adade
so eti aben ye breaking it down basing na nyina ye ntimi breaking it down e mo mu nya asante ase eti no omampani delivery no na say understanding no e we chire e ma ye nuanu bebre omo wo sebi nkrase no eno nti na eden a obi frefre obo ase oso fa baire na odu peche ese e ma ni ngrem ye ma o ngrem esa say ye say by 1 a.m. that Monday now mache no wa free baby be wura Kumasi ye ma o ma ana wa free Kumasi pia bontin so ye ma onko mimi no obi a ware police ni a o ye dum otakrade obewure mu no waka until the 12 events 2 weeks ni be so no ya be a wako waka le nche so be he na busiafo a na okotakrade akoye adwuma na wasa
by be 2 days I was
no president announced there was no president announcing no Nana Joe be letting do exactly and then
Saturday
no was just by 1 a.m. then Monday morning no and I'll be to me also be try weekend the Monday me to no say waka it no the best say we no ye dey pamo yare ye won ye freedom dada ana yare ni ntino am ye nya sa freedom no am ye nya ye ka say enye ye ne ye ho na ekon na mom no ye ne yare a free China aba e na ka no coronavirus no eno ne ye ne na ekon eti wo comfortability ananka wo me bi etwem no unya sa comfort no enne eti ye nya ye sacrifice no sa 2 weeks no ebi akawo me nya na nka enye say obetena ha no the whole day but wo ne ma bebre ya this ka bebre o wo round bebre abaya oni se be mo comfortable but so ye onhini o so ye wan o ye se ye nsepie na nkofo kakra bi na omanya sa exemption o betimi apie eti ade na ye pamo ne ako ya ye freeway unya abotre na undi mmra so me mom de na soja fo ne ye no bebre ho ana me ne gemu esan se bible kwa kan ye de ti aso aba na ye de onno na so adi o se wonye hwe interview bi a mo media house bi ye na branch ba ko etimi agina o ka se ye se de na o kan ye ma soja ni ma o ko o se o me ka je ne se me koto adru na mpase na koto adru de bi na me ba kuma behwe de e koso e aso de
because of say o mampenye se o koto adru betima koto
so nti we take advantage it is na wo ko na akonya bi na de kokko sai obusuafo a o ma ni wachi mpie na me ye de fine ti e be se ye nyina nye sutie na ye ma police for this eduma mu ye de ha o mo kakra because me diri ye se o mo so kra no ya at risk it is dodo na ye pie ne force no ye ma o mo so won kire o mo no enne ma ebufo ba na afi o ma twe ma ne ade a o mo de tia timamufo no
okay madam asipa answer na ba na ya akweko eso no me pacho ubetimi de text message and say WhatsApp e de afa line na e da screen so no pacho message na WhatsApp nko a men fresh so every pem na nche e bi phone na to na so wo adwenche bi a wa frɛ e de afa ensama ye di hu nkomo yi ebi no ma ya asoden ama o ma pie ebi nso ma aye sutie ama o mo tifie wadwenkyerɛ ene sen ubetimi edi afa line so edi amai 0543 596070 0543 596070 betimi edi afa so na wonso de wadwenkyere edi aba nana yakohwe video no me yesho so hwe bi a police for soldier for akuku bebia omanpanyin se ono amomo kwan se enka omunya de omuntu aduane but me no ka se bebi o ha enam nema omunni sunti do oma close down wadwenkyere ne se
Emra say meta kan say ona wodi dwana social distance and on fanya adwuma na say mo munja adwuma because wo no sika kakra na be pa gugu to no ntimi putu nkofo at risk enti no dey very 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 important say e also omuye saden no say no so na e ka say ba bi equity problem pa ye edwomu market ne banks no because na banks ni bi na distance no na do mo practice but yeah say I want to say police for no soldier for no full money hwe because yeah can say bi o ba bi ani pa mo dumping bi and it is say obi a best spread 10 and I yeah can say bi ntimi hwe obi anim aka nya so okuru na virus yeah this is a test and a better enti and am say enim ni nti no and e che say nyina ya mbo ye ho ban na say bi o taku no say pa akra na ba ba pe ni nti no na che say nipa na ba ba to o ma bo ape so a nfa ho na say nipa no wo kura na mu no kura no bia e kwere so fa so protect wo no kura ne bi eni ho a e say e ma ya adwuma enti ande also mu ya na ababi na mu say kura pa no so je ni na am ga say bi ebi a no di hwehura nkofo but already one fa mo bia
oh there be me just say
because aba dey body part there and dey some people
but so we ask for the India wetin
we ask for the go say but say bi o on say yeah king and the chief justice as was a specialized court be dealing with one on the president and who wants some be adwuma and is go for nya ye chi o ma ye fo mu nko and tantem na sabi aba na ye boni pa no ya hwe ya be wi
obi o ha wan fa ba mo na wodin kokko
na de ba mo no
se sika ye se ye twa to ho onya o de tomato
sika ye twa to ho se wa nya ru ko tumu enye so wa nya o fa mo di ezo on komra no ne ho atoye wi enti sometime no na danger no ko
some person be dey me
so ha o be so be ni na ba danger no etwa so enti se ru ko twiri mu ba de a umra no na danger no ko afa onu obisu onyansa enti ande ya sa na ese ye no o sa sa na mo na na eso mu tu san se de ne e ka ye mu bi o ho a ti se obi se oba be hwe de se bi soldier for community and and into no wonya asem papa bi aka ye kedim se o kaso okoto aduane a ye na na kwenti no sa no da ba bi na wasanya gudu kure se ye interview so that nzango fo nya straight na kere tampara na de ko ye di wa ye ho na continuing for years okobo asu nyansa
no I think say the I'm say do not dey na pese e solve ne say communities bia mu no nema bi a wo pa to okrom bia no yo ba bi wa say pa aduane nko ade within every suburb wo krom na bi wo
na me ka wa ha say adentina edwa kase na be bie omo ba dwom no nyina wo mo fie mo tetete obi a wo area ote adentina wo area na wote na
onye sa abodi ne bi wo hono mo anko fonto because o shema
etika big
markets no kwade emie that's the point and me no ya agene
a problem a wo dada na wo say no na me ka say coronavirus no yare money but my initial bi wo no be bi wo ye tie ya market ni bi wa ya specialized markets no
okay
yes we Jenny market we e Bayera market we enti other food staffs na wo no bi a na boarding ipa nu say just oba kuromansa anu obenya de ha enti ye market the way say aye no enti sabe na say bra yetimi decentralized marketing na say Jenny market kwa na ye make sure say bibia bi wo hobi because me hu de enti say bibi wo wa na wo te abu akwa be say abu akwa market ho esa ata no so market ho esa akwa no so market if you be say bantama market wo de ba pejeti aso ba ba so ade ase ni nya say bia no ni ade na nipa ne pe no odi sɛ bi onya bi hɔ obenya bi hɔ kɔ ɛboɔ no wɔ soro because sɛ nti sɛ kwada so deɛ sɛ ɛgye no adwum wokɔta fomoro market ɛ so ɛbayerɛ ɔho nti saa nneɔma nyinaa sɛ ɛtumi yi saa yi nyinaa afiri hɔ na sɛ yɛ market a ne ɛhu sɛ wei yɛ market a sɛ bio aduane biribi a pɛ biaa no wobɛnya bi hɔ ɛba ne saa na nipa no akɔ ɔnha no ho ɛne ɔtwa saa kwan ho enti ɛno yɛ adeɛ baako a sɛ wei ne yɛyɛ ne yɛsua biribi firim sɛ yɛkɔ yɛ nim no ɔwɔ sɛ yɛma market biaa yɛ very very resourceful sɛde bɛyɛ deɛ ɔpɛ ne ho biaa no wobɛnya na central market na yɛ ɔno ɔba bɛbɛtu akɔtɔn wɔ ada ebi a regions anaasɛ ada district ne yɛyi no na yɛ for bulk buy no na yɛn a yɛtɔ kakra akɔ yɛn di dwa akɔtara yɛ fie ne yɛde didi deɛ na ɛho hia sɛ yɛbɛforo saa kaa atwa ne market yi nyinaa mu sɛ yɛba central market ansa ne yɛtumi abibi sɛ ɛdwa.
Okay, I think sɛ o point no ɛyɛ well made. Yɛbɛhwɛ text messages bi a nkɔfo ɛde aba na afei yɛkɔ yɛnim ɛwɔ program no so patro we will say I'm watching you right now in Libya. Okay, Libya. That is what measures do the government is giving us. Okay, I think the same measures are government they are Libya the same thing of the but one for the okay, better was say we say so I say please tell them to stop propaganda thing. Okay, meaning the person who catch no but all the test back now but they are the account only baby or the free account and I'm patrol line at that screen is a man or fry I mean to member but when they answer tested message about WhatsApp and I say normal test number to make at the amount but see after 2 weeks lockdown and assuming when more people both those quarantined and trace tested positive I don't know positive is it gonna be another lockdown
okay
after say 2 weeks no every year that's still amount for you positive you be sign a knockdown be or what if you sunyai and the buy one so you better was it but me at the one so test message at the
can you try to be answer again okay meaning say another far
on say we know aim say we so contain virus okay don't want to avoid spread
sure
and say to me who say yeah good am way yen nyina nya bi no obi o wa bontin bi enya bia yeah wa hanya ba me
na target sure
ama ya recover and obi o wa bontin bi aso no wa ya at risk bi and obi antimi ko be be do bi free and so after 2 weeks no na say etimi akori etimi aye tracing no ehun say it's the power we the marco mandatory quarantine na dey say do so ye show mu no mu ni contact bi e sa wa bonten I just want for failure omu emu enti no wo lock down pa so wi enu so na say we get the family no one say still enti minya omu contact ina
so for now no sa dey na e koso se mote tamale incident ya ese Guinean baako edwane apart from ma ya test o mo no sisi a de ono edwane no na ye hwehwe no ene ono so ne ne contact ana mampenika say the ensese o de egu no subject to review enti the more omo monitor system no omo hu say still an spread ko baby say bi enim say brown half ana eho kwa quickly on betimi de another measure aba e be affect omo so say enim say bia Savannah region and a vehicle and a one so quickly no more move into no subject to review based on senior INC spread.
Okay, that is it. And so, Yanko, your name, Mamika Mo Sima Bakope, the bar. Your cases beer. I think, say, say, a war, papa, a dinner, Sabi. And because of the person born understanding like Tracy, didn't say me beer. I think they're bad, baby, and you it's not about
a sign, a sign, a dear near sign. ɛsan ne sɛ wonka bi nhyɛmu onwene ho sɛ bɛto na abɛto mpofirim na de atɔrɛntɛm bi abɛto so anaa ɔhaw bi abɛto so ɛno ɛna yɛfrɛ no ɛsan wɔsan ne sɛn ɛsan etimi mo bi ebubu gu dam ɛsan etimi mo bi ɛkɔ ɔhaw bi mu a ɔmpɛ ɛsan etimi mo bi kɔ pie prison ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nsa ɛsan etimi yɛtwa obi nan ɛsan ti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne kunu ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne dɔfo bi ɛsan ti obi aware asɛn ɛsan ti obi akɔ aburokyire ama yasan de naba wɔsan ne sɛn mesome san ne sɛn wɔyɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde brɛ wɔ Kumawood TV a yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato pɛn a ɛde atɔrɛntɛm bi abrɛ wo no yɛne watena ase na afei yɛboɔboɔ ho yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na aboa yɛnnua bi a ɛsan bi nto no da na ama ɔno nso ayɛ ahwɛ yie sɛ ɛsan bi ato da na ɛdiwɔ
ama mo akaba bi ɛde ba program a yɛato ne din sɛ update a yɛde bɛ Kumawood TV ne din ɛde Samuel Abona Daako na me yɛkɔ na meka sɛ yɛde ntumi ɔboɔ yɛnya ne nti sɛ ebi ɛna sɛ bi yɛde ne papa akɔ ne church ɛfo bi make so many allegations about it ɔboɔ ankasa de ne statement about it ɛne ɛnɛɛma bebree mepɛ sɛ mehu sɛ celebrity bibi say esia is that the way I say it to me broadcasting
from Medase I think say ye nipa ana yesu gu ahodo
yeah
obia ne reaction to ade a ato no that instant
yeah
na say the obisa no say as a celebrity kwan be na na se fata so handle no look ade we aba no education no na make say hwe say de oye crash ni kura ntiase na de onye crash o za me buy consistent because enunti no time a say de enya ntie no ne papa efi ama no ne baaye na wo so mo de ne fa so enkonfo mo kromu a akrate fo mo de mo busuafo efi ama no ne aba widi third March every time a man penin de lockdown baaye e de mo busuafo ne tete but at least also acquire sabia me hwe se wo bia na wo wo bi it meaning whether is the stigma no asase na say yete se ya na obi every no ho
yare we nya nim buase yare o
no kre but na me tell say education ye wo kro ma no me bia China ni akofo trotro wo mo mte trotro no na si for so ti ase enunti say oba na ka say mi wo bia within the next instant
obi abedwane
bedoni ojama se bedoni kasa obowa o ni esi parliament o na obi asore free one mo no se ma se bedoni o e free ne ntia akotena ba bi foforo eti tete me akyekere no e ma na ehun se o so nya that confidence no ko hospital ko ka se papa aso mesi wenye bi ba isi be bia obo ye mistake se de ye te ye no sa na te dia e se e bro mo test ne papa for malaria ewo Joaso government hospital no
malaria and no positive or not
fine but ya catch say COVID-19 neba o temperature koso which malaria and so the same thing typhoid fever the same thing and you do a certain degrees which is about 39 40 now then it means that BBL the to a serious or say at that time no so ma ho kwan ema eho Joaso for na ankasa
no but see no be there me ma do ntin no as
me ba no they are clear informations and of everywhere nipa see our bay we tu kwan an there bi wo ba krimu ache an there bi sa ne ma no won ma dey na ko Joaso no se de yet ne no kra wan kan cho mo se papa ba ya nyi
yeah
I don't know that was the first information papa ni ne ba ye nche yo And when the man nurses not the almost to say
hospitals and say, you will be a or more, say, or more yet suspected we know. How I be see a treaty.
And until I as Ghanaians, now the any say initial cases no were important.
Yeah.
It will be a free amanonia baby suspected case.
Yeah.
And the time mom call one. That was the information and anchor hospital for no day. Yeah. One must have information. No. You only answer with free drugs will do rate hospital. A whole normal need to me called the identifier. It's no information so baby, but also 14 PA because so stigma na make one say now there a year as them then say one more year I'm buying contact information again say almost nipa there 40 suspected that out of 40 the moon 19 are tested positive if the already you know it's anything to go by sana martino and I asem there in the sense that see who say will be and yet me see anu amount it's almost yente so mu obi no omo na at greater danger it won him say utie wo hwe Kumasi television enumei na papa ne baaye party oye uko obi wo ben no kotia no ana ono ne die mo amenia kwaya sabia ne ehwe na ono bia ohun so
na me pato who say obo papa say papa die na SCO ya kan wasem je on ko be be at that time na president Emma lock down and as on to two borders
bebre and they are with us in the community maintain back asin breku na community ni hu se boga bi abasa ana omo dey quickly omo call report to the nearest center omo call hospital ko kan ana hospital for no be far no ye dey e dey ne call na see any say after so mo testing na okọ negative ebusiafo na omo papa na ebusia no ene ne na fofo akọ say hospital won ni omo ntokwa ene hospital na wa asen de koliatum say oh the stigma make am wasem no yes omo de sia ni wo bi ye test or negative and the doctors for ni come dey asem to de sia no so omo akọ hospital akọ bo nurses abo doctors am ya to hospital enye fe eti ye be Ministry of Information any information service department or more the various districts some na form one consumer cheche ne nko na nkofo nti ase say yes ya ye ne say de tie ne ehu na so nya bia ye betimi aso ano ntema ma ho atowa unfrim etse wo bi ne wanfa amma na wo de sie na wo de san afofra umom na wo man nkofo adi o ne ko ni hini papa bi ese ono so dwane ono kwa de no kan wo mo e confine ne wo mo hotel wa aka no watimi adwane fi aka abanyi na hini ono so dwane hotel o aba na wakwa se ono ma nipa dodo odi asan wo mo nya nipa dodo oketwa so enti em say adwane bad media musumo nkoso ana mo educate say be ankofo be nya san tia say
educate enche me bie me phone line atum na pe won so ade nche na wo di aba na ya
also anunti na so be information minister ono mo ko go pon ko maka say even contact tracing omo ye no even before lockdown omo check here na flights aba no do so ka lipa no ye ya omo nyina so no they are making efforts to reach out to them and no possible contacts anti enya omo a lockdown nko ade ni se na omo de no you see what obia ofi UK aba yen in UK situation it's a nipa that so for fear because oh so papa by no fine and the Sierra no start say omo wa and knowing the travel history no ade say timba otimanta ne yen kan kofo
because your cancer started with the
very good
malaria
very good and baby o free ban so na baby a cases in door so there's a lot that likely will say be our exposed it's the first thing but you don't arrange say you go there that test wa bra COVID-19 test and can
okay
that was the first mistake look at restaurant now it means say because na o ma papa na nko they arrange for samples to be tested that's it could be say your papa na nko or hospital but even people are taking blood samples from and you could imagine for them taking blood sample now or testing for malaria or no be taking sample now they ben say but with reports you know ɛnyɛ nyɛ like so ɔno no ɔbɛbɔ ne ho ban yie onim sɛ papa no tɛsɛ for malaria eti you could even also imagine number of people also freely no abi nya sɛ malaria star papa na wo bɛ no ti adwene bi ɛpɛ no ɔdun ka sɛ wɛsa
no so mo ya ko se wo
it doesn't matter when you are president when you are minister
there's no respect of persons
who bet me and UK and before you German president chancellor NB some pressures
no water
but the man said what who celebrity when you sound go for symptoms no ba kwa ta show when the travel history now so people are in 10 years you can test for but the next time they are other causes and let me down already they say people will take blood sample so they are around hospital people will take blood samples for
yeah should have done that
and we are once we take samples there's already more hospital and so no problem contact are so many from there you are
no so yeah
and me that is why I go gas and when you travel now me do to say yeah okay but
that's no man
because of and I don't think that you class after no more that reference to be conduct
test no yeah
and Omo na friend what the Jesus na Omo will be out because of papa no know you fix it ade ayi na say me ni da what na no na e can say bi o but the thing is say HIV a unya obi am say jama na akobo gonorrhea unya obi am say jama what say that but the thing is say eti nye boni bi na akọ eti wo nya bi eti there shouldn't be any
there's another one Sam the other one
before we go on the person is there
okay
na ya kasa ni aso bi person program a obetimi abalo na one akasa numbers no eda screen so obetimi aka now they are prayer zero to roma ye you can but ogbo mu dia obetimi aka na ene wo adete and more numbers no 0200 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 also meet me about a room na only and come up. We will say hi. I am Fauzia from Nigeria. Fauzia from Insawam. I say thanks for the update. Please, the market women obey the president's instructions. Obey the president's instructions for us to stop spreading. Okay, and also Libya or the Abba, I don't know. We say so every Libya. Say hello. Good evening. My name is Matthew, Ghanaian living in Libya. Okay. Tripoli. Okay. Yeah. What I want to say is Africans, we don't respect law. We don't respect law. Why am I saying that? This law says stay at home. Why do you want to go out? Why do you want to go out? To disturb. Okay, here in Libya, Tripoli, there is time here from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. But try as possible to be at home before 2 p.m. If you see how police are going around to check out my house near one of the police stations, they have arrested many Libyans. So if Ghanaians are not obey the law, then police have to take action on them. Thanks for everything. Okay, Matthew, also, Libya, no crowd. You have more time.
Hello.
From that is it.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Would you be free?
Hello.
What are we doing? Free.
Hello.
Mr. Ofreyama, what video no? With TV volume.
Yes, I'm calling to contribute.
Calling from where?
From Boga.
Boga. Okay, let's hear you.
Hello?
Can we hear you, please?
I can't hear you properly. I can't hear you.
Okay, so go ahead. Go ahead with your submission.
Yeah, I want to contribute the way the sickness is.
Okay.
You know, everybody must stay home.
Okay.
But the whole thing is that we saw President, the president is making his birthday, and then when they are making the birthday, you should have to do what? Cancel it after the sickness. But the president doesn't do that. It's not the best.
Okay, I think.
Hello.
Hello. Thanks so much. Okay, we can also go for another. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
But you didn't be free.
Your friend Rex Mikasa Fitakrabi.
But you TY.
Yeah. Yeah, me person me can say me show program here nice. One person me can say the government control with virus here, but it's like massage virus need too much. Reason I'm they can say in the beginning now you are by now I was expecting government make say with dear young coach we na even sanke your bebre mu mark 1 month kwa na bebre and yes kin say yeah we there massage we no ti nankopon na mbwae na on kwakwa yan kakanka asan na kaman.
Okay, yeah, that's a bad one. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. But your friends are not going. Oh, want me and you know our money so. And so Google Kakantino. For so now, Rama. You better found out for you know what to drink. Come on. Kuma TV. Where was it? Hello. Yeah, hello. Okay, yeah, in fact, text message. I say hello, good evening. I'm watching you live from Libya. Was it Benghazi? Please, this is belongs to all nations, so they have to exercise.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Udini baby free.
Hello.
Oh, free free.
Hello.
Pipacha Udini baby free free. Why?
Hello.
Mr. O free ma wafidi no nkofom.
Hello.
TV set no low one on.
Hello.
On temenka Mr. Wa.
Hello.
Anyasa yentimenka say ye.
Hello.
Say obi a person of free but say wafidi no wasura. Untimi eneme enkasa. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Pipacho.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Would you baby our frame free?
Hello.
Would you baby our frame free?
Pipacho me kaso Libya.
Libya. Okay.
Libya.
Okay. Yeah, friend saying.
Libya.
Pipacho mo non kwai why?
Pipacho.
Yeah, too.
Hello.
Pipacho yeah too why?
Ya damati ne monche fa moye. Ya damati monche fa moye de pa Libya ya wono. Libya ya wono nse se omodi agukwa yimse. Yo mo peni be cham se moye o Ghana ya sira mo moye ne sama.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's a pa. Okay.
Hello.
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 Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Mesrama ufra na wama u TV volume na ko from na yetimi aka.
Hello.
Good evening. Baja Temenka. Udini baby a frame free. Okay, I'm say on Temenka pa. We was it thanks for your good work. Please try and stop all bugger.
Hello.
Okay, hello.
Good evening.
But you didn't buy frame free.
The friend calling because I feel on the jibble.
Okay, my NT way.
Yeah, the machine is in the movie.
Yeah. What you met you?
Hello.
Oh, line.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. But you didn't buy frame free.
But from all this, we can say Libya.
Libya, okay. But you my NT way, why? But you met you, why? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, I want to say something.
But you didn't say.
Then I'm going to make my phone. I think that's a kind of one. So you're not about your name.
Okay.
I'm going to be at that, you know.
Okay. Yeah, better was in there. What you and I'm say. Hello. Okay. Yemfa pray for be me no bi na yemfa ensia because line no mo I shake akra na fe. Yeah. Amanfo efre by line no ajame. But yenhwe se obowura mu dia ye betimi afa. Kumawu TV ya satellite no Libya ehọ na si. Ehọ na si. Enti Libya for chi life. Libya, Italy, and some part of Europe, almost here live. And you say YouTube no more show, almost share live. Hello, hello. Okay, yamfa phone in Insia. Na fe yamra, abaja force na fe yamfa. Akasima be Insia pena ya time naso. You share after for comments or more can, especially Libya. Obi almost say, almost crowded there. I'm almost from. And upon to 2. After 2, no. What's them?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. We am say producers in I'm our Bamonti. Yeah. Then we so bit my stay there and after. Producers go to call. Okay. Mr. Frank, you have to call us in or more a seminar of a compound. Yeah. Dimra so na me kra no esi akam ho ensa ho horo na ewe akam ho sanity yeah ana the reason is take on that?
Also, seminar here can so you ya crowd idea here no go get back the bring no funo the no funo monti so you me ye person be na kwa ko nu pempen because yes mo bi am bra because na ba na sa na e be ha nipa no
e ba na sa na soldier for no power bank
asa enti no freedom ga kra ye nyen so man abuse no say ya abuse na bili ye say obetimi abo ama because yeah bedroom a ye bu bra so ye we hu say sabi ye no e be kwa ti angofo bi o because say na me say carpenter ni nya adwuma base ni nya adwuma sabi me nu etie onko adwuma o and imagine angofo e kwa adwuma udom na wo ba no wo me ya so den na ba na wo man timi ankonteni within 2 weeks na me say ba me extension it affected the larger number of people it wo kakra na open already to mo bu ya dada munya mo faso enti edi ebiem na aka enti so munya bebo ade ene na se de aka no do be aso de bia no ye mfa ne koni ani na asam ye mfa ne nkosisi e na ebia ne aka no obi ama me so fa
okay nana quick one aka ye be 3 minutes but this way ministers donate their 3 months salary for this COVID-19 there be na person kan wa
laudable idea. And I'm the president.
And
President. And ministers here in Atwas. Yeah, can something in it. As we change me.
Okay.
And this annual manama said you wanna wouldn't be more probable.
Wow.
I so you have a moody yeah. And then when I'm moving for one, I was saying, I do know a county and account.
And workers, radio, you know, I'm donate more salary.
Emma, Jessica. What I say, Sikani, Amma, Jessica. Yenny, no, I didn't hear no, ever Yamasikani. Okay. What I say, we are saying, I am one. Now, you're great, the Mamencha, so forth.
Okay.
But or not a founder of Living Grace Miracle Ministry.
Catch yourself also for say, how much year time no winner. I saw for phone in no. On the one time, Mammy, I mean, what I'm telling you, Matias, how much year time I know yet.
It's my mention. The man Jackson, young go sharp. Okay. Mrs. Mama.
Okay.
Your friend of my Jackson.
That's it. 30 seconds on ministers. A donate more away.
Asofo na ya tia tight no ofre sabe na adu se muso mama mo so na man
sa brains no no so say o tight and mobile money o dey wi na oh and asori na gu o metma bo bi dia ma o oh but my own say Reverend Obofo started no one understands or no one down. A good side.
And the Yantias are either quite as well as a ton of so methodist. Over the weekend, session that will them was so it's the assemblies of God.
Yeah, Pentecost boy.
Pentecost,
one man churches, no.
Roman Catholic, American,
yeah, the best
Pentecost, Methodist, SDA, CSC, one will be a.
Yeah, the best year. Ochina, your best answer essential. May I show us Ochina, when you acquire a sign, and my Eddie Abishemwa. You better more Moshe in your say. You better MCL, Augustina, Loretta, Kobe Frank, I Tafro Kaiwachi, you better was a AJ Hipsy, also, you better was say, and Ochinozo, one, the only one. Ebeda mase beja nana ene Mr. Frank Asia mobile boy majumadi no ekoso India doctor also yebeda wase also ode woni monyam ebeta ya chipa
India doctor didn't rasa
say pa na edru ni lime we ukona so ye wa obama bibidro wodi bepun wodi pun anu anu no unya yare bia bio mede ede Samuel kwabena dako nyame ya aduma dasene ye besanhia
situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite u sebra ne ne won trance na ye share experience together fa number na phrase si a ne ne wo entwetwe eho enkomo 0244 294066 frɛ na ene producers no enkasa midin edi Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afrɛ me Steve esan etumutu obia.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Esan, Ediani esan, and the say, O cabin shemu, Onyone home, Sabato, na abatum pofrim, na de atorientum be abatoso, and now how be abatoso. And no any friend a sign. What sign is saying? A sign etimi mobi ebubugu dem. A sign etimi mobi eko ohawbe mu a ompe. A sign etimi mobi ko pie prison. A sign etimi yetwa obi nsa.